How's it going, you bunch of cocksuckers? So I heard you want to hear my routine. So, as you can see, I started off with a bit of flexing in the mirror, and yeah. So here comes my my perfect routine to begin with. I start my day off by watching some Peaky Blinders, even. As you can see, we got Tommy Shelby, and you got. And then next, there's obviously no other thing I'd want to do other than pick up this Eggy Star pillow and just give it a what for. So as you can see, this is the only right way to treat this man's property, which I bought with my own money, and I'm gonna sell it soon. But for now, I just want to beat it to death. And next up, of course, we have the necessities. We have my protein shake, which consists of 400 mils of vodka and 361 mils of protein powder. Yes, mils, okay? Listen, you think I'm not so special guy, okay? So, to see which vodka I use, I do go through a variety. Absolute Raspberry, that's a great choice. Just expensive. Nikita, which is about 10 pounds. But if you're a brokey, then you're gonna want to get that one. But now, I'm going to show you my current arm workouts. I'm using a 400,000 pound dumbbell for each arm. I just grabbed them off the scene because I don't want to give people some broken ovaries. Next up is squats, and as you can see, I did my little warm-up at the beginning, and now the real squats are coming out. Now I do about like 200 of these each second, but I'm slowing it down in real time just for you guys, so you're able to tell what the form's meant to be. As you can see, very good. Okay, next up, we're gonna show some of my meals. So it consists of around 4 to 8 Pringle cans, or I'd say 7 sour cream and onion, I think is the name. I don't know. We're gonna buy it soon, and of course wash it down with the beautiful Absolute Raspberry.